When considering the purchase of an ironworker, the choice is clear. Edwards. Offering the broadest range of ironworkers in the world, Edwards has the answer to significantly increase your productivity. Handcrafted in America by skilled craftsmen, the Edwards Ironworker brings total flexibility to your shop. The 55-ton Ironworker with the exclusive PowerLink system is well suited to fit any fabrication shop, large or small. Equipped with 4 workstations, the 55-ton Ironworker comes standard with a punch, flat bar shear, angle shear, and an open workstation that can be custom fit with any of 12 optional attachments, including the 10-inch press brake. In standard configuration, the 55-ton is capable of punching holes in mild steel from 1/8 inch to 1 1/16 inch and accepts round, square, oblong, hex, metric, and custom punch shapes for all your punching needs. The Pedestal Die Table design allows the operator to punch angle iron leg down. For increased longevity, the 4-sided flat bar shear blades and angle shear blades are made of precision machined, high-quality tool steel. Perfect for shearing up to 14-inch wide flat bar steel. Designed to shear both thick and thin angle iron, the angle shear blades include 2 cutting radiuses. One of our most popular attachments, the 10-inch brake with 4-way die, produces up to 90-degree bends on plate steel, ranging in thickness from 1/16 inch to 1/4 inch, and easily forms brackets and frames. The press brake back gauge is perfect for producing repeatable bends and compatible with all of our brake tooling. Operator friendly, the 55-ton is standard with an electric foot pedal with integrated jog control. Edwards Ironworkers have ANSI compliant guarding and ETL certified controls. The exclusive PowerLink system makes the Edwards 55-ton Ironworker a power source that will boost your shop's ability to get more done. Simply plug in and power up any of our PowerLink hydraulic tools, which instantly expands your shop's capabilities. So what are you waiting for? Inquire today to learn more about any of our industry-leading Edwards Ironworkers with the exclusive PowerLink system. Edwards Ironworkers.